How to download Binance application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Binance application on your Android device. So first thing, it's a simple process. Just head over to your Play Store and simply click on search from the bottom right corner, and just head over to your search bar section and simply search in for Binance application itself. And here you should see the logo of your Binance application on the second option, that is Binance application. So from over here, just tap on this, and as you can see, I've already downloaded it. So you should see the download button over here. So simply tap on that and it should automatically download and install based on your internet connection speed. And once you successfully download, you can just open the application, and if there's any update available, you can also actually update the application from over here. So in the meantime, you can also download it from any of your browser, and by simply heading over to the official website, that is binance.com. So you can also download it for your Android platform, or you can also download it for your iOS devices. So once it gets installed, you can simply open the Binance application itself just like this and just log in or sign into your account. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.